Hello physios. Today we learn on anatomy of thyroid gland, which is most important, can be asked as 10 marker in exam point of view. Just we come to know the bullet points in thyroid gland, its intro, as it is the thyroid gland, largest endocrine gland, and which can your controls your basal metabolic rate, and it is role for your calcium metabolism. Has this gland is for the synthesis of your iodine to hormones which are stored in a follicle. Has this gland consists of right and left lobes which are connected to each other called your isthmus junction, and it is situated to the an extent it lies in C5 to T1. It means to the upper part of the trachea, and it can extension up to 2 to 4 tracheal rings, and it is weight about 25 grams, which are larger in females than in males, and further increase in size during to the menstrual and pregnancy in females. Capsules of thyroid gland, has there are two capsules which are surrounded by your thyroid gland. It is your true capsule and false capsule. Your true capsule tells about it is a peripheral condensation of the connective tissue. It can also be avoid hemorrhage during operations. So at that time thyroid can be removed along with the true capsule. And next your false capsule, as it is derived from the pretracheal layer of deep cervical fascia. It has a ligament, suspensory ligament, which gets connected to the cricoid cartilage, and it has some parts like apex, base, three surfaces and two borders. Let me come in detail. Your apex, it is your upwards and gets attached to the sternothyroid of oblique and thyroid cartilage. It is related to the superior thyroid artery and superior laryngeal nerve. At the base, remember, fourth or fifth tracheal ring, and it is related to the inferior thyroid artery. Your apex is related to the superior thyroid artery and base is related to the inferior thyroid artery. At the lateral surface, it means it has three surfaces. At lateral surface, it has some of the muscles like connection to the sternum to the hyoid bone. It is sternohyoid, sternothyroid, omohyoid, two bellies to the hyoid bone, it is homohyoid, and from sterno to the mastoid, sternocleidomastoid muscle. Lateral surface, it is detailed about your muscles. When coming into the medial surfaces, there are some of the structures like it has two tubes. Two tubes indicates the two main important points, that is your trachea and esophagus, and the two muscles, it is your inferior constrictor and cricothyroid muscle, and two nerves, there are your extensor, external laryngeal and recurrent laryngeal nerve. There are two laryngeal nerves on the medial surface. When comes into the posterior lateral surface, it is the main important, it is surrounded by a neck called carotid sheath, and there are some of the two borders, anterior border and posterior border. Your anterior border, it will be thin and related to the superior thyroid artery. Posterior border will be thick and related to the inferior thyroid artery. Enough. These are the points to be covered in the presenting parts of the thyroid gland: apex, base, three surfaces and your two borders. When coming into the blood supply, arterial supply, it is by both superior and inferior thyroid artery, and your venous, it is by your superior, middle, inferior, fourth thyroid veins. Next, your lymphatic drainage, it has two parts, upper part and lower part. Upper part of lobe, it has prelaryngeal nodes, and lower part of lobe, it has tracheal nodes. You can write tracheal nodes. It is before and after pretracheal nodes and paratracheal nodes. Then coming into nerve supply, superior, middle, inferior cervical ganglia. These are now supplied to the thyroid gland. And finally, you should write your applied anatomy to the thyroid gland. Like it has goiter. It means any swelling of the thyroid will have a goiter and it can be palpated easily. And you can go for your X-ray scanning. You can come to know more in detail. Like enough this point is. And it can be also thyroidectomy. It means removal of thyroid as it may cause further complications to thyroid, and along with the true capsule it will remove the thyroid. That is your thyroidectomy. It is mostly seen in some hyperthyroidism, and when hypo, it causes cretinism in infants and myxedema in adults. These are the conditions of your applied aspects in thyroid gland. Once again, the collection, introduction, situation and extension, your weight, your two capsules, and your parts of the thyroid gland in some detail, and draw the diagram, two borders, blood supply, lymphatic drainage, and your nerve supply. Next comes your applied aspects. Thanks for watching SPN.